Hi guys, welcome back to Cheater's Archives. In this video, I'll be sharing essential emergency phrases that will be very helpful if you ever need them. Of course, I hope you never find yourself in these situations, but it's always best to be prepared. Let's get started. The first phrase is 给家吧哦. Repeat after me. 给家吧哦.给家吧哦. It means help me or somebody please help. Let's break it down. 给 means to save or to rescue. 家 is a plural particle for the verb. We use it when an action involves more than one person. Here you are shouting for help very loudly so that everyone can hear you. If you were speaking to only one person, you would omit 家 and say 给吧哦. But in a life-threatening situation, 给家吧哦 is more effective because it addresses the whole crowd. Next is 顾你家吧哦.顾你家吧哦.顾你家吧哦. 顾你 also means help, but this phrase sounds a bit less urgent. It's used more for general assistance or in situations that aren't immediately life-threatening. Now let's move on to the core build. The core build. The core build. In Myanmar, petty theft is a common issue. These must be anything from carpets and gasoline to bicycles. If you experience this and need to call for help, shout very loudly, the call bill, or just the call. Okay? The call means thief. Bill doesn't have a specific meaning, but we use it as an exclamation to announce something very loudly so everyone nearby can hear. In addition to this, you can say the call 干你的, the call 干你的, the call 干你的, which means a thief is lurking or someone is sneaking around. You might also hear the call 扣你的, the call 扣你的, the call 扣你的, which uses the verb call. It means to steal. In a real emergency, you can combine these phrases together and shout very loudly like the call bill, the call 干你的 or the call bill, the call 扣你的 to get everyone's attention. Next on the list is robbery. In Burmese, you say the mya bill, the mya bill, the mya bill. The mya means robber. Shouting this is like saying there's a robbery, help, please help. You can also use the mya tai ni de. Why? Tai has many meanings. In this context, it refers to a violent act or a physical attack. Then we have gabai nai, gabai nai, gabai nai, which means pickpocket. You can shout gabai nai biu, gabai nai biu, gabai nai biu, or gabai nai ni de, gabai nai ni de, gabai nai ni de to alert others. If you see someone drowning and you want to ask for help, you can shout ရင်နစ်နေတယ် 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 or ရင်နစ်နေပြီ 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 ရင်နစ် means drowning and နေတယ် or နေပြီ indicate that it's happening right now. So to point out the location, you can add ဟိုမှာ okay? It means over there. So together ဟိုမှာရင်နစ်နေတယ် ဟိုမှာရင်နစ်နေတယ် Another important phrase is ငလင်လှောက်နေတယ် 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 ငလင် means earthquake and လှောက် means to shake. Moving on to our final phrases, we have got မီးလောင်နေပြီ 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 မီးလောင်နေတယ် or မီးလောင်နေပြီ means there's a fire. မီး is fire and လောင် is the verb for burning. And the last phrase is မီးသတ်ကားခေါ်ပေးပါမီးသတ်ကားခေါ်ပေးပါမီးသတ်ကားခေါ်ပေးပါမီးသတ်ကား literally means fire truck. ခေါ်ပေးပါ means please call. So together မီးသတ်ကားခေါ်ပေးပါ please call the fire department or please inform the fire department. Now let's do a quick exercise to help you remember. Scenario 1. You are sleeping at home and suddenly waken up by a noise. You realize someone is breaking in. What phrases would you shout? A. မီးလောင်နေပြီ B. တခိုးပြုတ် And scenario 2. It's a hot summer day and you hear your neighbor shouting, "Fire! Somebody call the fire department." What phrases are they likely using in Burmese? A. မီးလောင်နေပြီမီးသတ်ကားခေါ်ပေးပါ B. ငလျင်လှုပ်နေတယ် Comment the correct answer below. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.